Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. Showing you here, we're doing a washing a rendered house. Really bad. I mean, let's look at this windowsill here and see all this lichen growing on the render. And see all the windowsills. It looks terrible, absolutely terrible. And then you've got all this here too. So all this edging, it's really in bad shape. All the sections of moulding on the edges. So you can see over here under the windows as well. I'll show you down here on the porch. Really bad section there. Then you've got all this. Look at this here. It's terrible. Really bad. Anyway, so with this kind of work, you cannot do high pressure. You never can. It's a very bad idea. It's very gentle and fragile. The render's really old and starting to crack and peel off. Okay, we'll show you the finished results. This will be a chemical wash 100%, and we'll be then doing a low pressure wash of the whole building and then finishing off with an external window clean. These are the finished results. Absolutely magnificent, I think. Really happy with that. The stains you're seeing here are not removable. It's just too far gone. They just didn't clean it soon enough. So if you maintain your property, you won't have staining like that because we'll be able to remove it, but they've just left it far too long. Okay. I put the ladder away so I can't show you up there, but look, have a look at these sills, how good they came up compared to where we started. Just washed right through here. That was really bad through there as well. Look at this side here. It's come up really good. Look at that. So the key to this is don't leave it so long. Alright, so I hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching. And if you do have some render that needs a clean, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you. All the best.